Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss the long answer type questions of chapter 5, subject science, class 6, day 3. The first question is, how will you separate the following: mustard seeds and common salt, chalk powder and water, sand and water, and grains and stones? The answer is, mustard seeds and common salt is separated by the sieve. Chalk powder and water can be separated by the filtration method. Sand and water can be separated by the method of sedimentation and decantation. Stones and husks could be separated from grains by hand picking. The second part of this question: how is fine sand separated from larger particles? Explain. Answer is, when the substances in a mixture have different particles size, they are separated by filtration. The smaller particles slip through the holes, but the larger particles do not. Question number 2. How will you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? The answer is, the filtration method is used to obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water. A filter paper has very fine pores in it. It is folded in the form of a cone, which is fixed in a funnel for filtering the clear water. Question number 3. What happens if a saturated solution of a substance and water is A. heated or B. cooled? When heating of a saturated solution of any substance increases the solubility of the substance, but the saturated solution of a solubility of a substance decreases, some of them dissolved substance separated in the form of crystals. Question number 4a. How do we need to separate substances from a mixture? The answer is, when two or more substances are mixed together to form a mixture, it is to be separated because some components may not be useful or may spoil the useful components. The part B. Differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture with examples. Answer is, homogeneous mixture. In this mixture, in which the constituents are uniformly distributed and each part of the mixture has the same properties. And the heterogeneous mixture, in this mixture, in which the constituents do not get mixed uniformly and each part of the mixture has different properties. Now you see again the answer of 4a and b. And the answer of 1, 2, 3. That's all.